Okay, so I'm gonna. So as I said before, so this is a Hadzabe Hut. The way it looks like it's been made of woods and grasses, and here we are today. What is going on is today Hadzabe wanna take me out, go hunting and learn about every single detail, how they track the animals, how they can tell where the animal went, and to allocate every little things. So just to understand the whole strategy they use to get a prey. So today I'm here, they invite me over, and I'm happy, I'm quite excited. So by the way, my name is Rama, and your name?
Ono akanabe kwa Mogesa.
Komogesa.
Mogesa.
Komogesa.
Mogesa.
Ono akanabe iya.
Iya.
Ono akanabe angusha marori. Ono koko akanabe kokombi abe kokubipi kote muicha kukutakasa ichata. That thing guay koko atate.
That is it's such a click name. What? Kokombi, wherever their name is very hard.
Kokombi.
So yeah, without further
Kokombi,
guys, let's go out. Let's turn it nice. Mice.